Welcome to week 21, assignment 3. As we have been doing every other week, is typing practice and or vocabulary. Last week we had vocabulary, so this week it is typing practice. So basically what I need you to do is to go to this website. Okay, so if you highlight it and you right click on top of it, it should say go to, and then you can open it up. We are going to be working on the top row. So if you look at the letters that are on your keyboard, there are 3 rows of letters. And so we are going to work on the top row. We've done the home row, I don't know, sometime last semester, but we're going to work on the top row. So you're going to select 1 minute, and then you're going to go ahead and go through this. All of these letters are on the top row. Okay? At the end, you will get a word per minute that will be down here. What you need to do for the assignment is highlight this sentence. You're going to say, I got 16 words per minute on the top row practice for 1 minute. I got a 2 weeks ago when you took the test. I need you to put that number in here. I got an 18 on my typing test in week 19, and this is higher or lower than my top row speed. So you can either highlight one or you can delete one, and that is all I need you to do with it. Now, if you go to scroll down a little bit, there are other top row practices if you want to work on it. The key to getting better at typing is practicing. However it is that you practice, you have to practice to get better. No matter what it is, if it's a sport or whatever. So you need to practice. This gives you different things that you can practice with if you want to work on different things. But all I need for this assignment is for you to do this and then copy and paste this sentence and fill it in. If you have any questions, please message me. If not, I hope to see you soon.